Kathleen was just going through some of the ins and outs there for policymakers, global policymakers here. Have we seen enough, or do we know enough that perhaps would make us rethink whether the ECB is thinking about doing something?
Well, I don't think we're quite at the stage of the ECB sort of coming into play here in any serious fashion, but I just perhaps a little bit of context on this Italian situation. And really the first point I would emphasize is that the Eurozone is very much a half-built house, and the European policymakers understand this. And really they've spent the last 6 years since Draghi gave that whatever it takes speech back in July 2012, talking about how to fix the somewhat dysfunctional Eurozone. And the problem there, of course, is you had a monetary union that didn't have a banking union or a fiscal union attached to it, which is the normal situation. Now, there's been a little bit of progress on the banking union, but there's been a lot of talk and very little action. Now, Brussels and the markets were waiting for the elections of 2017, which spilled into 2018, to get through before they were hoping to put the foot on the accelerator and really start to accelerate the completion of the banking union and make some steps towards fiscal union. And of course that has been very, very slow and now is called into question. One other point just on the economic context, I'll give you some numbers here. As a result of this very problematic economic architecture of the EMU, the Eurozone, if you look at Italy, where its real GDP is relative to the peak level it attained before the financial crisis, it's still about 5.5% below that level. If you look at Germany, it's about 12% above. And if you looked at unemployment levels, you'd see some other stunning numbers. 3.4% unemployment in Germany, 11% in Italy. So, behind this political turmoil, let's not forget the fact that there are some economic realities that are driving these political challenges.